How's it going, YouTube? Today we're gonna work on something that's been bugging me for 2 years. I think I finally figured out what's going on. So this is our BigDog lawnmower. It's the stout model. And for the past couple years, it's really been surging a lot. You can just hear at a low idle or just setting, not under a load, this surge. So what we believe it is the welch plugs or freeze plugs for the carburetor. There are two on the very top. I'll show you those in a second. I believe that they've come out and we can actually see down into the carburetor, at least to a small port in the carburetor. You actually see some sparking in the video. I think I've got that pretty good. But we're gonna show you how to fix the problem. We'll show you before, we'll show you fixing it, we'll show you afterwards. I'm pretty excited. This has been bothering me for 2 years now. It's been bugging me, my dad, my brother. We haven't been able to figure this out. I think we finally got this one. Stick around, hope you enjoy the video. there you go, guys. We got it fixed. That's awesome. I'm so excited that this is over with. This has bothered me forever. I knew it had to do something with, you know, the machine just either being constricted with air, getting too much air or something, but I honestly wasn't thinking the carburetor. I was thinking it had something to do with you know, the air filters or something. I wasn't sure. I'm in no way am I a mechanic, just a guy trying to save $1, but that's really bugged me for a while. So got it fixed. It took maybe 10 minutes or so altogether to fix it. The welch plugs themselves were $1.89 a piece at our local farm supply store, small engine mechanic shop, whatever. So super cheap, super quick, super easy to do. I'm excited. That's really made me happy. It's made my day. Other than that, we haven't been making videos here lately. The weather has just been terrible. We've had really pretty and beautiful days during the week where it's nice and warm, and on the weekends it's a little bit colder and usually raining. February has just been a really wet month for us, and I haven't been able to get out and film, work a job during the week, so I've really only got 2 days to do the YouTube thing. But we got a couple cool projects coming up. I got a toolbox that I'm currently polishing. I want to put on my F-250. We'll be pulling the engine out of our John Deere Gator, trying to get it fixed up. Other than that, the animals are doing really well. There really hasn't been anything wild going on with them. It's just been the usual feed, water, put down bed, and check on them all the time. I didn't want to make the same video over and over, but yeah, so we got some stuff coming up. Hopefully the weather is going to be improving. This past week we even had a couple days that, you know, it was 80 degrees. It's a little bit chillier today at around, I don't know, 55, 60 degrees or something. But yeah, hopefully everything's going to improve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come back if it's your first time at the channel. We do all kinds of stuff with goats, ducks, livestock, dogs, and then fix whatever's broke around the house. So if you're into that kind of thing, please like, subscribe, all that stuff. I know it's annoying, but it really does help me out. Thank you guys. Have a good one.